The underground chapel. It is difficult to date precisely the construction of the chapel. In regard to certain architectural details, it may be the 12th century. You could enter by stairs in the lower part of the Gothic nave. It is 4 metres by 4 metres. It is situated outside the nave and is lit by an oculus covered by a kind of lantern rebuilt in the 19th century. Its walls open into excavations filled with bones, which may have come from ancient churchyards abandoned for the development of renovation of the Nantilly district. The churchyard, called Cimetière Haut de Recollets, was in the past set on each side of the church and thus above the chapel. This name was given in contrast to Low Churchyard, which extended from the foot of the church forecourt to the present Rue du Mouton. The latter churchyard of the poor was often flooded by the river Theouet and then became a serious health problem.